Okay.
With the music? Why not? Yeah. Aceh is a country of awliya. The awliya of Aceh are hidden in the forests and in the mountains. People go and visit them, and they unite the hearts of the people. The awliya of Aceh are more important to Aceh than anybody can imagine outside of Aceh. The forests of Aceh are a similar element of importance in Aceh's history. Aceh's history strides out of the forest. In past years, when the invaders came to Aceh shores to take the land, the Acehnese resisted and retreated to the forest at the first impacts of attack. And in the forest they regrouped themselves, and then they came out like heroes from the forest and struck the enemy and drove him from their coasts. Nowadays, the forests of Aceh indeed, which has in its land surface the largest remaining expanse of tropical rainforest left in Southeast Asia. Now these same forests have become the front line in the struggle against global warming. And the Acehnese will be sure to defend them to the last tree.